In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to show or display the task view button on your taskbar on your Windows 11 laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and you want to type in settings. Best result, should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select personalization on the left panel. And then on the right side, you want to scroll down and expand underneath taskbar. Go ahead and select that. And there should be an item that says Task View near the top underneath Taskbar Items. Click inside that oval to toggle to the on position and it should become visible down here. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.